Hello creative and beautiful people. Today I am going to share you very important website. I think this website very helpful for your creativity. It is totally free and paid and there is no hassle to log into this website. In the other hand, it is very important for your creativity, like you are an animator or you are a 3D animator or anything, or you are a designer. This is very helpful for you. So here you can see lot of tools: image to STL, image to vector, 3D models, animation, image, vector to image, 3D tools, file merge. In the other hand, you can see convert. You can convert it your any file, image, vector, 3D model, CAD document, ebook, anything. Here you can see lot of tools is available. Here is totally free and paid. You can just drag and drop your file and you converted your file. Here is very easy way. You can just drag and drop your file, drag and drop your format. You can very easy way. You can convert it. And here you can see here in the last one is other tools. Here is it. So here you can see more OBS file, 3D model viewer, and you can see your file viewers. You can easily your file viewer here, image and anything like that. So I think this website very helpful for you. Thank you for watching.